The learned advocate for accused, Mr. A.J. Deshpande, argued that the accused is falsely implicated in the present case. The investigating officer has not properly carried out the investigation. All the witnesses are government servant and from the police department, so that they supported the case of the prosecution. Full stop. The accused made a complaint against some of the officers of collector office, and so that the police falsely implicated the accused in this case. When the accident took place, the collector was present in his chamber, but the investigating officer has not recorded the statement of the collector. As per Exhibit 34, the informant was present on duty in District and Sessions Court, Kolhapur, and there is contradiction in the statement of PW1 informant that he was on duty as background of the collector, Kolhapur. The investigating officer deposed that CCTV footage was not working in since 2019. The investigating officer in his investigation not found a cheat bracket chitti bracket close as deposed by PW1 deposed that he has given a cheat to the collector from the investigating officer has not recovered said cheat. When the investigating officer visited the collector officer, he was not made entry to the station diary. The investigating officer has not recorded the statement of wife of the accused. The investigating officer has not filed documents to show that the witnesses were present on the day of incident in chamber of collector para to prove the ingredients of section 353 of IPC, that is use of criminal force on a public servant in execution of his duty or to deter the public servant from discharge of his duty. The prosecution has examined PW1 informant Amol Chauhan, wide exhibit 11. He deposed as per the FIR and complaint at exhibit 12 and supported to the case of the prosecution PW2 Raju, a peon of collector office deposed wide exhibit 14 as per the prosecution case and as per the complaint lodged by PW1, PW3 deposed wide exhibit 16 that on 29/6/2020 he was present at the door of the chamber of collector at that time. Dilip, Raju and Amol were along with him. Full stop. At about 3:30 in the afternoon, the incident took place. He heard sound of quarrel. He reached in the chamber of the collector, at that time the accused was shouting, so that he took the accused outside of the chamber. After that, the accused remained sitting outside the chamber. In the evening, when the collector left the office at that time, accused tried to stop the car of the collector. He identified the accused before the court. This witness further deposed that on 15/8/2020, Vaishnavi attempted self-immolation (Atmadahan) he supported the case of the prosecution. He deposed as per testimony of PW2 para PW4 deposed wide exhibit 18 as per spot panchanama at exhibit 9 and supported to the case of the prosecution PW5 Police constable deposed wide exhibit 21 that the informant, bodyguard Akash called him on 29/6/2020 at about 5:30 p.m. and informed him that accused Sujit restrained and obstructed the informant while discharging his duty as a bodyguard in the chamber of the collector. He supported to the case of the prosecution and identified the accused before the court. Para PW6, police constable attached to Shahpuri police station deposed wide exhibit 23 that the recorded the complaint of the informant. PW1 deposed as per the complaint exhibit 12 before the court. Full stop.